The Campfire Carrier makes hauling wood quick and easy work. It handles logs, kindling, and tinder. Just pile in a load you're comfortable carrying, grab it, and go. Handles are comfortable and contour to the shape of your hand. Outside pockets store the rest of what you need. Work gloves, a lighter, you decide. The Campfire Carrier is a 22-inch by 36-inch sling. It's made from rugged, ballistic nylon material with reinforced stitching. The one-piece molded handle helps eliminate pinch points. Rubber, cushioned, contoured grip make hauling easier. Now you can stay cleaner and carry wood easier in camp or at home.